guys, this is Lorie at TMI Gifts. Welcome to our channel. Today I'm just going to show you how to do a couple of bows. I consider these loop bows, but they are loop bows with a pattern. So I have a 4-inch ribbon right here that is a nutcracker. So we have these nutcrackers going one way. Now if you took this and you let your nutcrackers go upside down, I think people kind of frown on that. We want to keep our nutcrackers going all the right way. So in this case, I'm going to leave me a tail at the top, and I'm doing this for a mantle, the side of a mantle. So I need 2 bows to go at the side. So I'm doing a loop. I'm going to come over where my nutcrackers are still going the same way, and I have my tail here. I'm looping. And this is where I'm not going to do another one. I'm just going to leave my 2 loops because I'm going to add some more ribbon to it. And then I'm going to leave a longer tail because these are going beside the mantle on the corners of the mantle, and we want our nutcrackers going all the same way. So then I have this green, and then I have a blue that I'm going to do with it. On this, I'm going to leave a tail down. I'm going to do a loop. I'm going to cut, leave the tails. On this blue, I want a tail at the top. Do you have to leave a tail at the top? No, you could actually just do a tail at the bottom and do another loop. Actually, that looks pretty good. It's going on the mantle, so we're going to use that just like that. Then I'm going to come on the top of it, and I'm going to use this 1.5-inch pattern here. It is a blue and green and red pattern. We're going to do a tail at the top, a loop, and 1 tail hanging down. I'm going to make this one a little bit shorter. I'm going to dovetail the ends of everything. So we have loop, loop, loop. These are just loops. I am going to take a zip tie. I'm going to zip tie around the back. My finger out there. I'm going to take a black zip tie, run it down the back of it, or you could actually do a chenille stem. This is going on a garland on the mantle, so let's do a green chenille stem, and then this is just reinforcement to actually add it to that garland. You're going to take your cutters and cut off the edges. Actually cut the zip tie. And then let's dovetail all the ends. Then I'm going to show you, we can turn around and duplicate this exact same bow to make another one to go on the other side of the mantle. Okay, I have all my dovetails. Different lengths. You can curl out. You can curl in on all of your ribbon because they're all wired ribbon.